So welcome guys. So today is our trip to Science City. You can see we have arrived at Science City through gate number 2. Now these are the first things which we can see, and here you can see that the tap is suspended in the mid-air and the water is flowing away from it. So we will be entering Science City. We have entered the Science City by collecting the tickets. We are looking forward to the trip. We have entered the Science City and we are currently going to Space Theatre. You can see different kind of mirrors here. This is vanishing image mirror to the other place. This is the mirror maze. Mirror. This is a tunnel. See, it seems that it is infinite. This is Kalpana Chawla and the ex-Prime Minister I.K. Gujral conversation. See that this is another mirror. This is called giant wheel. These mirrors are obviously amazing and they give us very illusions. So now we are at the mirror maze, entry point of mirror maze. One can easily be lost in here, in this labyrinth of mirror. Our image. See, and this is a spherical kaleidoscope. See, the mirrors are. It is look inverted. It's look. See, this is also an amateur. We will start, and this is another kaleidoscopes. Very much alike, but still they are very different. I am making a watch to these reflections. This mirror is giant hall. This may seem as a giant hall. Reflections. See, what does it show? It's so amazing. I want you to see this because it sees another hole which is not here. So how does this happen? This is the trick of science. Then this, you can see, this is also a type of kaleidoscope, and this is egometric mirrors. It will see various types of mirrors. A small part. This is a small part of the Science City. The whole Science City is full of amusements. This is the spinning platform. This junk place, you can easily lift. You will have to simply move your hands, and the space junk on the screen will move automatically. There are various posters here. So we're outside the Science City. Amazing things to see. This is infinite well. I will show you in a quick way. See, the wheel seems infinite. Spinning chain. Changing colors. If you see through it, this is nodes and anti-nodes. This ear, brain, hand and coordination. See, the chain is moving. See, this is motor patterns. It shows. This is rolling contact. The different features, the models are there. Bombs or depressions. We can't get it. These are bombs or depressions. This is an illusion. Speaking picture. This is a speaking picture. There are many things to see here. All the parts of science, physics. This. See how wonderful this painting looks. This is a mirror. Shows amazing. More area, more lift. See, And you can see this bubble pushes here. If we push the bubble here, it will lift. You have to put then this. See, it attracts, and see this. It also lifts the pushing. You can see this, the bubble. This is the tornado. It's really amazing. Walk on piano. It produces sound when you walk into it. Snake pendulum. See. Jumping disc. See. Guided. This is wave motion. Transmission. This is rising arc. You can see the arc is rising. Wonderful. The whole Science City is full of adventures and amazing things. This is sound spectrum. If one speaks into it, it is the sound spectrum. This is the acrobatic stick. This is the grand shuttle. Outside the inner center, and there are various rides and ropeways also in the air. The nature here is very calm and beautiful. The environment is very peaceful. We are going to the panorama. We are now going to panorama, human evolution. Another place in the panorama, you can see three major texts on bird. The word numeral 0 in India, decimal place 1 in India. There are very ways to see. See, Gharat. See, this is the Gharat. This is the Taj Mahal. Here you can see the Qutub Minar models, Brihadeshwara temple. This is Rasa Shala. These are different ways of surgery instruments. As you can see here, iron and steel. The Indus Valley, the first urbanization in India. And this is the Samrat Yantra. The Pythagoras theorem. We are entering 330 to 220 million years ago. You can see. See, this is the dinosaur. There are more dinosaurs here. They are moving its head. Biggest dinosaur?
Gallimimus oviraptorin মতো ছোট ছোট ডাইনোসররা অলিম্পিকে
How much ferocious it is? See this dinosaur? Here you also can see it.
বিভিন্ন মত
Hello.
Then this
তন্ত্রপাইকের আধিপত্য
Scene है रे.
অনেক যাত্রা আর দ্বিতীয় তলে দেখুন বিজ্ঞান আর প্রযুক্তি
So I only did this for your viewers.
বিজ্ঞান ক্ষেত্রে তার অবদান
Thank you. Now in we're now in toy train.
हाथ दबा पूरी.
This is HP-T32 Deepak model. We are now ascending. We are now on the ropeway.
আমরা বেরিয়ে যাচ্ছি।
See the science city. You can see it from here only. So it is in ground contact. So now we are done. So now friends, we are leaving the science city slowly. It was a great fun with all of you viewers. Okay, now we are leaving the science city. Like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for more amazing trip videos for you guys to watch. Thank you for watching.